I like to focus on three words here. The word sin, the word iniquity, and the word transgression. Now, these are the three levels of sin, which apparently is not taught in Christianity. But here, because as Israelites, as bruised, as children of the Most High, we're seeking to keep the laws, the statutes, and commandments, and to understand the Bible from the beginning to the end, not from Matthew to Revelation, and then maybe periodically mix in some Old Testament. But in this case, we are seeing the three levels of sin. The first one being sin. The Hebrew word for sin is chata, which means you sinned in error. You sinned out of ignorance. You acted out of ignorance. Therefore, you missed the mark. And the word sin, chata, is an archery term. It comes from the term of where archery, they would shoot the arrow and they would miss the mark. So every time, Israel, that we miss the mark, we sin. That is the first level of sin. The second level is iniquity. The Hebrew word for iniquity is avon, or it's mostly pronounced avon. It depends on however you pronounce it. I'm going to pronounce it avon. Avon means to pervert, to bend, to twist. It means to trespass. Let me jump back into sin. The penalty of a chata, of missing the mark, sinning out of error, sinning out of ignorance, usually is a sacrifice. That is usually what's acquired of somebody who misses the mark. Someone who chata, somebody who sinned. On the other hand, with iniquity, someone who committed iniquity, someone who committed avon. In this case, the consequences for avon is that you are unclean or you are cut off. You are cut off from the nation of Israel. Now, the third level of sin, the third level is transgression. Transgression in the Hebrew is pesha. Pesha. Pesha means to rebel against the Creator. And in these types of sins and transgressions on the third level, what's required of you is death. It's the death penalty. It's the third level. So in this Yisrael, we have sin, chata. We have number two, we have iniquity, avon. And number three, the third level, we have transgression, pesha.